Babies are really capable of feeding themselves, but here, let's get another one. Hey! Okay. There we are. Whoa, now we're going to get a fight. Bird fight. Yeah, come on. There was something almost like Alfred Hitchcock going on there for a while. There was just too many birds. Hey! No, I don't want you on my head. I don't want a bird hat. And bird fights too. I'm having to sweep them off my head, which is kind of ridiculous. But yes, hello. You look hot. Got your beak open. Oh, that's a juvenile. These are juvenile males, both of them. They have an orange patch. It's not yet a red. Why is it the juveniles are so damn aggressive? It's going to be a really long video. I'm waiting for this one to go, I think. Oh, that's a beauty. It's pretty much a fully fledged male. All different ages, of course. I'm not really too scared of humans. Look at this. That's not even a zoom. I'm holding the camera right up to his face. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Other ones are wanting to get in on it, too. I don't want to let this go too much longer than 5 minutes. They're just everywhere. It is. It's just like a Hitchcock movie. It's crazy. And I don't like them on my head. I'm wearing a shiny beret, and that might be part of it. Ooh, somebody splashed down there. I'm having to actually coax them away. I'm going to take one of the pigeons down here. Everybody's so aggressive today.